is of corn. In Spanish mainland is maíz. Here is millo. And then we have a lot of Spanglish. Yes, for example, guagua. G-U-A-G-U-A. Guagua is a bus. So we are sitting right now, it is a bus. Here is guagua. It comes from wagon. We import buses from England. The machine, actually, and we spell it like W-A-G-O-N. The locals didn't pronounce it properly, so from wagon, it changed to guagua. Or for example, a jumper. In Spanish is jersey. Here we say pullover. Pullover. A piece of sponge cake. Spanish, bizcocho. On the Canaries, queque, from cake. Or for example, where I come from.
Aloha from a very lovely, sunny Gran Canaria, Las Palmas. I've left the up in the windjammer on board the beautiful Explorer, which is right behind me, whilst I go shopping in here. Alright, so I'm on my way back to the cruise ship hangar, which way, that way. I changed £100 the other day for 115 euros. I spent some on some benefit stuff the other day, and I've literally just spent the rest on a load of jewellery. So I've got to get some more money changed. Look at this beauty, isn't she gorgeous? It's absolutely gorgeous weather, so I'm going back on board now. I'm back on board. I spent so much bleeding money on jewellery, it is ridiculous. Mind you, I nearly bought a pair of shoes as well, but I didn't. Let's go, girl. Right, it is day 7, day 8. I'm not too sure of holiday. Already. It's ridiculous. God, my hair is so... I've just been up on top deck catching a bit of sun. It's so sunny. Oh, my feet. Yeah, today we did what did we do? Lanzarote we were at today. It was really quite nice actually. Something with my face for tonight. I curled my hair yesterday, although it's gone flat. And it's not easy washing your hair in this place either, because where the showers are so small, I don't think I've rinsed everything out properly. But I've definitely caught the sun. But yeah, Lanzarote today. Brilliant. Did a lot of shopping. I got my bag set up there. I did some shopping yesterday in Tenerife. That was lovely. Tenerife was ever so lovely. I sorted this chair out as well. I've got all my crap over it. Really need to get sorted. But I think I'm going to play some music actually. Get me a little speaker wired up. Oh, I've got it all tangled up. Ever so powerful, this little thing is ever so good. It was only like $9.99. Cheap, but really powerful.